Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the trade of the day from the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. That's right, it's now run by our Grok graduates that are people that have graduated from our mentoring program. Now, let's take a look at NVAX. This was not one of my trades this morning, but it's actually one from one of our members, a Grok graduate by the name of Vladimir from Croatia. And here was the setup. The markets boomed this morning on the inflation numbers, and it ran up here, and this is NVIX, ran up, and it was doing a bull pullback here. You want to know more about what a bull pullback is, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and this is the page there, and go up here to chart. Whoops, let me pull it down here a little bit. Let's go to Chart School right here, and this is the different trading patterns that we do, and this was a bull pullback. And a bull pullback right here, bull pullback or a pullback sell. Here's a picture of it here. Let me pull it up a little bit. Here's a picture of it here, and it pulls back and then it starts to ride back up. That's a high probability entry, and especially if there's increasing volume as it goes up. So here are a couple of examples of them on daily charts. These were each daily candles, but these black ones are 1 minute candles that I do with intraday trading, and this one was on a 1 minute intraday chart. And it pulls back and takes off, and here did it a couple of times on this one. So let's get back to our example here on NVAX, and it was pulling back right here. So went ahead and set a trade here. Now this 1850 was really solid resistance here. It was pulling back. So and the market was still going up. It had again rocketed up over 2 or 3% on the Nasdaq, was up 3% at opening, and continued to run higher. And so it had a lot of support here. But Vladimir said he wanted to set up just above that the 1850. He wanted it to break out to make sure that it was going to break out. So here he had it set, ready to go. Let's see what happened next. And boom, it popped up here, and he got in at $18.52. 1852, Vladimir was in, and he got in right here at the top of the candle. He waited till it broke the 1850 before he got in. And look at the volume. Kaboom! It was, very light volume right here. Light volume, and then kaboom! Huge volume on that candle. So he did bring his stop up just a little bit here. So he had his stop here set at 1837, 1% automatic activated as soon as he got in. And then what happened on the next candle? Bam! Look at that. On this next candle, look at that huge drop. Look at that. That's almost a 2% drop in 1 minute. In 1 minute, and on this 1 minute, that's a 1 minute candle, folks, and fairly big volume as well. And so he got stopped out at, and it got filled at 1836 for minus 0.9% in less than 1 minute. Now, this fit all of his rules in that it was a bull pullback. The market was still going up, so it has market support. And when it finally broke out up here above this area of resistance on big volume, that was time to get in. But the market fooled us this time, and it just sucked us in, and then it just bam, went right back down and stopped him out at 0.9%. Now, what happened after that? Take a look at this. Yeah, at 10 o'clock, the market decided to pull back a little bit, as did this stock. Look at that. Look, it fell all the way back here to the 1780 area. And then at the time I'm recording this, right at 1 o'clock, it is now down trading at the, just under $17, fell another 4 or 5%. Even though it's still up 4% on the day, it was up much more than that at this time of day. So this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, we have this the latest and greatest thing that is out now. It's the Grok Trade algo trading here now. If you go to groktrade.com, we have some algos that we've just released. And now what these do is they scan charts for you, and they give you buy signals and sell signals. Now there's a lot of variability here. We have 4 different ones that you can that are set up. Some just find bottoms, some just finds when to go long and when to get out, and others tell you when to go long and when to go short. It depends on what you do. And you can take and adapt these to what you are trading, and then use specific stocks or ETFs that you're trading. And it works in all different time frames. I'm currently working on one for doing 1-minute charts and intraday trading. And we found one that has phenomenal results, but we're going to do one that works for more than just one ETF. And so if you're interested at all in this, it's also for swing trading. It's also for longer term weekly candles. These algos work on all of them. If you want to know more about it, go ahead and watch this recording here. Des does a little session on what they are and how to get them. And it's posted on TradingView. If you're familiar with that platform, you just have to have a paid subscription to TradingView, and these algos can be loaded on there if you subscribe to them. So again, that's at groktrade.com. Go to algo. You can read about it here and watch the video. That'll tell you a lot about what they are and what they might do for your trading as a tool. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember here, the lesson that I had today in the Grok day trading chat room, and that is you trade what you see, not what you think or feel. Look, the market doesn't have any emotions, doesn't have any thought. It just does what it does. When we try to apply our knowledge, we will get creamed every single time. Trade well, and may your winners run. Merry Christmas.